Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have CV, resume and cover letter, these files in AIAPS DOS file for Microsoft Office, and here is PSD for Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. So here is font 18 font, so just control all and install it. Okay, and first I drag this file to Adobe Photoshop. This is the cover letter. So you see here this area is design, you can change it, and here is profile, here is your name, and main is background. You can change background like this color, or select decent color, or color is this, opacity is here, depend your choice. You see, okay, and dear sir, madam, or etc, you can write a letter. Here is your photo, for example, open file, and drag there. Amazing. So you can rename it, for example, Shiraz Khalid, graphic designer. Okay, and you can write here your content or your detail, interesting, photography, driving, and I think traveling. Or here is contact, you can write your number, and here is your home address. So here is letter, and here is CV. Drag to Photoshop. Your education, your skills, interest, contacts, you can write details, and your experience, your skills, awards, graphic designer, and here is your contact information like email, website, contact number, fax number, etc, interest, your, and your profile is okay. And same files in Microsoft Office. Now you can edit on Microsoft Office, and here is, I think, PDF. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah.